What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing unboxing of the Fitbit Versa 2. So it has Amazon Alexa built in, check the weather, set timers, control your smart home devices and more with Amazon Alexa. Fitbit Pay makes secure purchases at millions of stores around the globe, right from your wrist. No phone or wallet necessary. And wireless syncing works with Bluetooth headphones and 200 plus leading iOS and Android devices. So as you can see here, 24/7 heart rate tracking, swim proof and 4+ day battery life, automatically tracks activity, exercise and so on. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open that seal. So it's right here. Let's open that. Let's put this tag. See, here is the Fitbit Versa 2 itself, and I believe this is the instruction manual. Pretty nice. And you will find all the accessories, one extra band which is nice, and here we do get our charging adapter. So that's why you set the watch, and we do get some product information, safety and regulatory information, all that good stuff. Now time for the grand finale, my friends. So we're gonna be peeling this off. It even has the address on, which is cool. If I can open this up. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, and here is the beauty itself, the Fitbit Versa 2. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's a quite improvement over the original Versa. So yeah, let's set this up. Okay, so now let's set this up. Press the power button, see if something shows up. Okay, there we go, we get something. So I'm assuming it'll take a long time to boot up. So, oh, never mind. You start download the Fitbit app, which I already have here. Set up. Which Fitbit device are you setting up? Set to. I agree, accept. Oh. Okay, next. Versa should work. Wait. Okay. And Bluetooth is on. Oh, found it. 6546. Okay, so it's connecting and it gives me a check mark. Nice. Things work, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's giving me a Wi-Fi sign. Okay. Because you know to see this. Okay. So I believe this is the password. Okay, so it gives me a check mark. Nice. Next. Start update. Also, you can also pay from your wrist, and it's always on display, just like the new Apple Watch Series 5. So I think I'll be right back. After this update is finished, I'll be right back with you guys. Sit tight. Okay, so the Versa 2 is ready. Let's press the continue button. So, voice and your privacy. Versa 2 has a built-in microphone. Okay, got it. Quick start. Press and hold the button to access preset shortcut. Okay. How about no? Try it on. And okay, there you go. The checking out, let's put it back in. That's next, and wear your device and follow the steps on display. Release your apps and press the button once to go back. Next. Okay. Control center. Okay. Alexa and Fitbit Pay. So this is the safety instructions. All set. Done. Yes. Okay, saved. Okay. Clock. Okay, right. So here we are in the Fitbit Versa 2 fully set up. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smack that like button. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.